Welcome to CJ Y Money Entertainment. If you've never been to my channel before, I'm CJ. And I get happy when I get a box. Because there's always something good inside. And because I think it's enough. So, let's see what's inside. Cut like butter, cut like butter. This is an electrical heater, and it's portable. What I like about this, when I read about it, is that it has tilt on and off. And I'm going to explain what that is to you. And then, I'm going to read the instructions and then we'll be back. Okay. The box. It's touched. So you're able to touch the top. See how that works right there. Okay. And it also has a little filter in the back that you can lift it up. And it's a little tiny filter. So you'll be able to like wipe it or rinse it. And that goes into there. Let's see how easy it is to put back. It looks like a battery part that you can just cushion there. Put this in here and close it. Which is good because if you got asthma, you want everything to have a filter. So it'll filter that dust particle. There's an on and off switch in the back. This is look like a swivel base. It has a nice little handle right here. And we're going to read the instructions and plug it in and see how it works. We'll be back. Okay, we are back. And let me let you know what's going on. On this top right here, there's an on and off. There's a mode. There's a swivel. So, you turn it on in the back. Okay? Once you turn it on in the back, then you hit the on and off button. Okay, you should see a ring at the bottom. This ring should be bright red. That lets you know, ooh, this is powerful. That lets you know that is the highest temperature. I am feeling that heat all the way out here. It's a very powerful fan. Woo! My fingers are burning. And you just swipe it very easily down to a lower heat. So the light should not be a dark red. You hit the mode button again. Just swipe it. Then it should be blue. It turns to a fan. This fan is blowing pretty far as well. One more time. And it goes right back to heavy heat. Now, let's hit it to a cooler mode. And let's swivel it. So you just tap it and look at the swivel. It's not a very loud fan, but for the size, it seems very powerful. Okay. Now, let me show you what this is excellent for. Let's cut off the swivel and look what happens. My dog may have knocked it down. A child may have knocked it down. And look what it does. Automatically shuts itself off. That is awesome. That is a savior. Because you never know when somebody may pull a cord. Your animal may be caught up in it. A child may knock it down. And that will no longer cause a fire or hazardous to that person. Now, you hit it. It'll come right back on like nothing ever happened. Let's lift it up and see what happens. It automatically shuts off. And even if you put it back down, it still doesn't come back on. And that is great because you got people want to lift up things and place things, and then this way you don't have to worry. And that's what this little trigger on the bottom is for. Will be in the link below. If you want to purchase it, it will be in the link. Check it out. You may even want to compare it to the other brands that's out there. I like it. It's small. It's powerful. It warmed up the whole entire room. So it's very powerful for its size. Throw them likes up. If you like this video, slap that subscribe button because you want to be a honeybee.